Hi friends, this is the third quarter spelling test, the FDOL. Please make sure you have your name on your paper. There are 20 words and 4 sentences on this test. So like normal, you can pause, rewind, listen again, do whatever you need to do. Okay? All right, let's get started. Word number 1, old. The church was very old. Old. Number 2, choke. Make sure you chew your food so you don't choke on it. Choke. Number 3, use. Use a new eraser to erase a mistake. Use. Number 4, float. A pumpkin will float in water. Float. Number 5, globe. A globe is shaped like a sphere. Globe. Number 6, black. The night sky is often black in color. Black. Number 7, spell. I hope you spell this word correctly. Spell. Number 8, shout. When you shout, it is really loud. Shout. Number 9, now. The end of the quarter is now. Now. Number 10, flute. My friend Valerie plays the flute in the band. Flute. Number 11, boat. We saw a boat in the lake. Boat. Number 12, hope. I hope you are writing very neatly. Hope. Number 13, cube. A cube is a 3-dimensional shape. Cube. Number 14, woke. I woke up early this morning. Woke. Number 15, fly. We are going to fly to Florida for spring break. Fly. Number 16, train. A train goes through downtown Lee Summit. Train. Number 17, stack. Please stack your chairs neatly at the end of the day. Number 18, out. We will probably not go out for recess in the morning. Out. Number 19, loud. The tornado siren was very loud. Loud. Number 20, cold. Today the temperature is very cold. Cold. Okay, that completes your 20 spelling words. Now I'm going to read to you your 4 dictation sentences. Be sure you pause after each sentence so you can write it all down. You need to write every word in the sentence. Sentence number 1. The old train is loud and cold. Sentence number 2. I hope the black fly will go out. Sentence number 3. We can use the boat that will float. Sentence number 4. Can we give a shout out to our class now? Okay, friends, that is the rest of your dictation sentences. Make sure that you have gotten everything that you need, otherwise you can rewind and listen to parts that you missed. Make sure that your name is on your paper before you turn it in, and I hope you did well.